Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is January 4th, 2025. I'm awake after less than 4 hours of sleep, just to feed the cats, although I have a pretty strong circadian rhythm, so it's possible I might not be able to get back to sleep before tonight. And I am here to share the results of the Winter Cup second knockout round. I have two different profiles. We're going to start with the Win 10 profile, which is the second one I jumped into, which actually was the more rigorous one and had me playing episode after episode. And I don't just play to get into first place or second place or third place. What I do is I play to get into that position, and then I finish the episode because I don't want to lose my episode race. So I want to gain standing in the Winter Cup and finish the episode race so I don't lose my gold bars. Because of that, it usually gives me a little hedge around my winning. Now, I decided with about 30 minutes left of the game, I was in first place by a considerable margin in both of my profiles. So I decided to go to sleep, and we're here to find out if my prediction that everyone else had also gone to sleep pays off and I make it in at least in one of these, hopefully in the top spot, but in any of them really that gets me a ticket. So any of the top 3 spots. All right, here we go. This is the Win 10 app, and it's a little scary because I don't see anything yet. Oh, Winter Cup qualified. I get to claim now my Winter Cup prize, and I do get this. So that surprise is over, and I got the top spot. You can see by a considerable margin, I had to get ahead of Caroline, and then I had to finish that episode. So I get my reward. Now you can see what rewards other people get. Third place gets these things. Second place gets these things. Wait, what's the difference? 9 stripe. Oh, UFO. Second gets a UFO instead of a switch hand. And then first place gets a party popper. I will take a party popper. So boom, I spoiled the surprise, but this is what I get. All of those things everybody else got, plus of course that golden ticket that allows me to get into the next round. Now the next round is the final. If I can make it to the very top of the leaderboard for the final, then I get 100 gold bars every month for 12 months. Now, I've beaten a Winter Cup before and had that opportunity to get gold bars, and it is kind of nice every month to sign in and boom, you get 100 gold bars, because 69 gold bars gets you 6 hours of unlimited lives, and that comes in really handy when I'm recording. So, got in the top spot here. That gives me hope that maybe I can make it into the final, to the top spot of the finals, but it would be a lot of work. This for me was 6 hours of being hepped up on coffee, of deciding last night when it was time to go to sleep after about like 2:30 in the morning, was I going to just sleep in my office, which has a bed, which meant I wouldn't get to brush my teeth, or was I going to sneak into the master bedroom, be able to go brush my teeth and snuggle up next to my husband? I didn't want my silly playing of this game to disturb his sleep. So I didn't get to brush my teeth until this morning, until I went to feed the cats. It's probably one of the reasons that I got out of bed. I'm like, oh, gross. I need my teeth brushed. I need my water pick. So, yeah. So I have a lot of thinking to do. Now, in 24 hours or less than 24 hours, 3 o'clock this morning is when the event begins, and it goes for 2 days. And again, it's going to stop at 3 o'clock in the morning for me because I'm Eastern time. And so it's going to be 48 hours of play. If I decide to play, and if I decide to commit that amount of time, I might do the same thing I did this time, which is wait until the last approximately 6 to 8 hours, jump in and see how things are going. I might jump in on both profiles, see which one looks more doable, see where I've got the most benefits, like those supercharged color bombs, and try that. Or I might forget again. Sometimes I just forget, oh shoot, I was supposed to be playing this game. Or I might, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Wouldn't that be hilarious if I jumped on and I was on the same leaderboard in both of my profiles? That'd be pretty funny. Okay, so I'm going to claim this reward, and I am going to look now at my Facebook profile, because I have 2 profiles I play. So let's take a look. Events. Oh, I qualified here as well. Let's see if I maintained my first place standing. I did. All right. So, and I forgot to compare the amounts that I had to get versus, there's the amount I had to get versus the amount I actually got. They may not be the same. But you can take a look at that and see. This is the one I started about 6 hours earlier than the other. Well, no, I intended to start about 6 hours early. And actually, I jumped in and probably started about 3 hours early. I'm not sure on the times. But I do have everything documented in my other videos, so you can go back and check if you want to. It's not important to me. All right, there it is. 19 hours is on the cooldown clock. After that 19 hours is up, it's going to be 48 hours of vying for that very top spot. And only the very top spot on each leaderboard will win the prize. Okay, that is it for me. I am done in. I'm going to have a little bit of a relaxing day. Might brush my teeth about 17 more times. And feel free to comment below. Let me know where you are. Oh, I need to go give my voice a rest. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.